guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video you all are gonna see an amazing transformation journey on a girl who was suffering from severe acne. So let me give you guys a little bit of background story. Last year in August, Bioderma and I teamed up together and we came up with this competition where we chose one lucky winner and treated her acne for free. So we got Fajr, who won this competition. She had severe acne. The Bioderma team and I took her to the best dermatologist in Dubai and gave her the best acne treatment ever. So this journey took 7 months. We had to visit the doctor every time, and throughout this journey I was there to document the progress. This is one of my favorite videos that I've ever done. It is really close to my heart because it makes me feel like that I fulfill the purpose of being an influencer through this video. That Bioderma gave me the opportunity to change someone's life through my platform, and it just makes me so happy. You guys will actually notice throughout the video how Fajr's confidence boosts up, how her personality totally changes. Like in the beginning you will see she's super shy, not so comfortable near the camera, but as the months pass by she gets super confident. So if you're suffering from acne, make sure to watch this video till the end. It is super informative. The dermatologist gives you amazing tips for acne. I really hope you guys like this video, and let's get started. Hi guys, we have arrived at the clinic with the winner, and let's go inside and meet the doctor and see what he has to say for the winner. The winner's name is Fajr, by the way, so I'm not gonna keep saying a winner, I'm gonna say Fajr. So let's see. Hi. So this is the doctor's room. Let's go inside. Right now, Fajr, the winner of the competition, is with the doctor, the dermatologist, Dr. Anwar Al-Hamadi. We're all over here in the clinic, and doctor is going to diagnose her acne. He's gonna see what it's like, what should be done, everything. This is Dr. Anwar. Hi, doctor.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
And this is Fajr. Hi, Fajr.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
We're with the doctor, and doctor is going to diagnose her acne, and we're gonna see what he has to say.
First of all, as I told you, Manal, I'm going to see Fajr, and I'll see Fajr as if I'm seeing as any patients, and not because we are in front of the camera, but I want to simplify a condition that lots of people, I'm sure that those are watching you, they are suffering from this problem, or at least have this problem maybe for a long time, or maybe they know someone who has this acne. And I always say acne is not limited only to adolescent. Yes, probably more common in adolescent, but we do see acne, especially when it comes into female. After adolescence, in fact, can be more stubborn, annoying, embarrassing. So this is why we have to treat it as early as possible.
And Fajr, how old are you?
I'm 18.
So she's still at a good age. We're happy, so we can get it done as soon as possible. The earlier the better, okay guys?
One of the common questions, why acne is happening. Now there are lots of factors. I'm sure lots of people, they always link it with the chocolate, they link it maybe with the stress, maybe with makeup, and especially in female. Yes, these can be contributing factors, but these are not really the main cause. The main cause is from inside rather than outside.
Okay.
So from inside, basically, if you know, Fajr, anything that you think that's contributing to acne?
I don't know. No idea.
Why we do see acne more in adolescence? Due to the hormonal change. So hormonal factor play a role. There is bacterial infection. So acne is a bacterial infection, and this is why if you get any kind of pimple, sometimes can be painful. It's full of pus. So it's some sort of bacterial infection. One of key factor of causing acne is activity of the oil secreting glands, and this is why those who have acne, they usually tend to have very oily skin or even oily scalp. And if this is the case, of course our treatment will be completely different, because we know in such condition usually external treatment is not enough. We need to treat from inside rather than outside.
So guys, the doctor is going to check her acne right now. this is the treatment room.
Treatment of acne is not difficult, but the treatment of post-acne scarring, which we don't like, can be really difficult, can be really lengthy, expensive. So you guys need to treat acne as soon as possible. We don't want to reach to
scarring. Okay.
Now, if I look at close up, I can see that you do have different forms of acne. I can see from here what we call cystic type of acne. If you put your hand over the acne here, I can see this is cyst. This is cyst. All these are cysts. You do have a little bit of what we call blackheads, but mainly this is cystic acne. Okay. So most of these pimples beneath the skin. So there is inflammation going on. I can see, I'm sure your skin is oily, isn't it?
Yes, it is, unfortunately.
Yeah, and that's indicating that we do have excessive oil secreting glands from inside. Yeah. Now, from what I've seen, you do have what we call nodular cystic type of acne. And this type of acne is, I would say, the severe form of acne where topical creams are not enough. And one message that I always tell my patients when we treat acne, we don't rely on number of pimples. Sometimes we might see lots of pimples on the face, but our treatment might be very simple. With topical cream, with a proper face wash, everything will be controlled. And vice versa. Sometimes we see maybe one or two, but those scarring one, no, here I have to be, I don't want to say aggressive, but we have to choose really the right treatment to stop acne. Now, this is the medicine that I find based on your acne, based on the examination, that you need to be on this medicine. This medicine basically is the derivative from vitamin A. The course of this medicine depends on your body weight, which is roughly 45, maybe?
40.
40,
wow.
Okay, 42. So I got it almost close. Yeah. So with this, but it is what we call cumulative dose. So roughly we're talking about 5 to 6 months of the medicine. Yeah, so you have to be patient. And beginning of the therapy, probably you will not see much of change. In fact, you may even get a little bit of increase of the pimples. This is normal reaction from the body. One of the commonest side effects of this medicine is dryness. So you're going to get dry everywhere. So be prepared using your lip balm all the time. Be careful with sun. So the medicine can cause a little bit sensitivity to sunlight. So a proper sunscreen, which also I'm going to guide you. We don't want the sunscreen that's very thick, that's going to clog the pores and induce more pimples. So we'll choose the right sunscreen. So you need proper sunscreen. You need a proper moisturizer, because as I mentioned, the medicine is going to cause lots of dryness. To compensate that, we need a proper moisturizer.
Okay, how excited are you to start?
I'm very excited. I'm nervous.
Nervous.
Because I'm going to be, first time.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I'm nervous. I don't know, it's mixed. I'm happy as well. I can't wait to see the new me after 3 to 4 months. So inshallah, hope for the best.
Okay, good
But it's going
luck.
to be effective 2019. So
Yes.
be prepared. Yeah.
Amazing. So guys, currently the doctor is prescribing Fajr's medicine. He's putting it all into his system so Fajr can start her medicine as soon as possible. I'm more excited than she is. I mean, I may not seem very excited, but I am. I'm tired, guys. I've been awake since 8 a.m. so I'm like very tired.
Okay, so the medicine is already prescribed. We're going to start, as I mentioned, with a 20 milligram a day. And the best time to take the medicine is after meal.
Hi guys, what's up? So today is our second visit to the doctor and I am here with the winner of the Bioderma competition. We're gonna get her checked. We're gonna see what her skin looks like today. We're gonna see what the doctor prescribes and I'm just gonna update you guys with everything. Here we have Fajr with us and she is so happy with her skin after she used the Bioderma products and she took the medication which doctor prescribed to her. How do you feel? Tell me.
I feel amazing. You can see from my smile.
Guys, if you notice, her skin has cleared up so much. It wasn't like this. I'm gonna post her pictures over here, the before and after. You're gonna be like, wow. So we have 2 more months and then we'll see her after 2 months and see what her skin looks like after 2 months. And she's gonna be using the Bioderma products, right? You've been using them, right?
Yes, they were amazing.
She has been washing her face with Bioderma products while she was on the medication. That's very important, you guys. because sometimes you're just on the medication, you're not using the right product, you are not gonna get the good results, because of this medication you get like dry skin. But ever since she was using the Bioderma products, your skin wasn't drying up, right?
Not at all.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Guys, her skin has improved so much, like it's amazing.
Okay, if you just look at the paper. Okay, you can lift the right side, please. Yeah, mainly now, right now, what we see, a little bit of marks. Okay, if you look at the left side. Okay.
So the doctor is taking the progress shots right now. We have seen a huge difference in Fajr's skin. It's amazing, and the doctor says we probably don't even need to do the skin, you know, like the laser things on her skin, because the scarring is not that. Please tell us, what do you have to say about Fajr and her progress?
Okay, I'm really pleased with the result that I've seen so far. First of all, I excuse for my voice. So what will continue, as we decided, we're going to continue our total cumulative course. Now she finished, I would say, roughly a third of the course. So still we have 2/3 remaining to finish the total course. And this way that the risk of recurrence of the pimples will be much, much less. After finishing the course, we'll decide whether if we need any kind of treatment of the scars. So this is why we need Fajr to be patient, and I can tell that she's really patient, and I was really happy from the smile that I've seen just once entering the door here, because you can see the face is clear. And I told her, probably right now she doesn't need to hide a lot, because there is no much really to hide. So minimizing from using or overwearing the makeup, that's really important, whether for those who have existing acne or those who don't have really acne, because we don't want the pores to be clogged, and then this way they will get more and more acne.
Amazing. How excited are you, Fajr?
A lot. I mean, the first progress has just started, yeah? So I'm like looking forward to my new phase.
So basically the doctor has prescribed her the same exact medication. She has to take the same exact medication for 2 more months, and after that we will see what her skin looks like. With this medication she is also going to use the sebium range by Bioderma to wash her face, to protect her skin from the sun, to moisturize her skin, and yeah. See you guys after 2 months. What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? Today is the final session for our Bioderma's winner. We are gonna see her skin after the whole treatment. I am so excited to meet the winner. This is gonna be super exciting. Let's get inside the clinic, the Derma clinic. Hi. Hello. Good evening. We're here with Dr. Anwar Al-Hamadi. Hi, doctor.
Hi.
And here is Fajr. And doctor is gonna tell you guys what's up with Fajr's skin and what's the update. So over to you, doctor.
Hi, I'm happy about the outcome, and I guess we recorded at the beginning, and we promised Fajr, and we promised also the followers that she's going to get better. So thank you for Fajr being patient in the treatment. I can't imagine that 6 months that passed so quick. So now this is what we wanted, basically from the treatment, to control her active acne, which already be controlled, and to treat all the existing ones and prevent the new ones from happening. Now there are some a little bit of discoloration, which barely visible. I'm happy that she's coming today without any makeup, and that proves how she's happy from the treatment. So what I'm going to prescribe her today, just something as a maintenance. She finished, fortunately, the oral treatment, and now we're going only to use some topical treatment, sun protection, some drying cream that for occasional breakouts.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much, doctor.
Most welcome.
Thank you. So guys, this is the after. There's literally no more acne left, like only a little bit of scarring and a bit of redness. We just came back from the doctor, and the doctor told us that the medication worked really well on Fajr's skin, and all we have to do is just apply some topical creams, and that is all. And after a while we're gonna see what the skin reacts to it, and then maybe she needs a little bit of laser, maybe. Otherwise she is good to go. We have Fajr over here. Hi, Fajr. Okay guys, look at her skin. Look at the glow. Oh my god. Isn't it amazing? So tell us, Fajr, what's your experience? How was this whole experience for you and everything else?
I mean, I don't know how to start. Like, it had been the most wonderful like 6 months of my life. Like, you know, the girl I always used to be confident, but then I got severe acne and I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do with it? But then I got Manal and then I got doctor, and it's here in front of you. I'm glowing.
And how much did Bioderma help you on this?
It was exceptional because of the medication I had dry skin, dry lips, but Bioderma products saved my life again.
That's amazing. So you guys, never ever treat your acne on your own. You must go to a doctor.
Exactly.
You guys have seen the results over here. You don't do self-medication ever. See a dermatologist, use the right products, and you will have glowing skin just like Fajr. It's amazing. I'm so happy for
Me
you.
too.
Yay. Really hope you guys enjoyed this amazing transformation. This vlog took 6 months. Literally, you guys have seen the whole transformation. It's amazing, and I'm literally her friend now. Like, we're
so
like
close.
so cool. This is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye. And you guys, I want to show you all the amazing Bioderma team who has supported Fajr and her whole journey. Over here we have Berna and Amin. Hi Berna and Amin. These guys are the superstars of this whole journey, this whole transformation. Thank you so much for your support. You guys are amazing. Thank you, Team Bioderma. It's my favorite brand ever.
And we're so happy with the results.
Me too. I love it. Thank you. I cannot believe that this journey has finally come to an end. Fajr's skin has cleared up like crazy. It's amazing. And I'm just so glad that everything worked out well for her. Bioderma's products were amazing. The doctor was amazing. Everything worked out so good. I'm so glad. And thank you so much to all of you for watching. I hope you guys liked my video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know your thoughts. What do you think? I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.